They doesn't just get you from point A to point B, off the beaten path. It's your lone hideout, your gateway to freedom. On your journey, you choose the kind of ground you want to cover, and you choose how to keep your vehicle's interior covered. For 35 years, Seat Covers Unlimited has built quality seat covers for nearly every vehicle on the road, providing advanced protection for your vehicle's original fabrics and preserving the value of your interior. Leave no detail to chance. Protect your seats for any journey. Push your vehicle to the limit while keeping your original interior like new. No matter your style or where the road leads you, at Seat Covers Unlimited, we've got you covered.